Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the lens is spotless and damage-free. Scratches trap moisture and ruin treatments. Apply a dedicated anti-fog spray or a tiny drop of dish soap, then spread it evenly and buff until a thin film remains. Once done, make sure vents are open and any heat-trapping headwear is removed so warm breath doesn't steam the lens. These immediate actions set the foundation for everything that follows and prevent unnecessary fog buildup during play. Next, focus on fit and airflow to keep condensation off the lens. Tighten straps and compress foam so your breath is directed down or out, not up. A small intentional gap can channel air away. If the mask accepts a thermal or anti-fog insert, install it now and ensure it seals correctly. This creates a temperature barrier that reduces fog. Also practice breathing through your mouth or using a mouth guard to change airflow patterns. These mid-steps dramatically lower fog risk while you play. To finish, lock in performance by maintaining dryness and having backups. After each round, quickly wipe lens edges and reapply a thin anti-fog treatment if needed. Drying foam in open air prevents trapped moisture from causing future fog. If fog persists despite proper treatment, make sure seals and foam aren't torn and swap to a spare thermal lens if available. Damaged seals or scratched lenses often defeat treatments. Troubleshoot calmly. Replace suspect parts, and you'll restore clear vision before your next match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.